Ever wondered how AI can help programmers? Well, you're about to find out. Picture this, a world where programming is no longer just about manual coding. A universe where AI is your sidekick, offering code suggestions, smartly analyzing and debugging your code, automatically generating documentation, running efficient tests, and predicting performance issues. This is not a distant reality, but the present state of programming. Let's dive into the top 5 AI tools that are making waves in the programming world. First up, we have AI-powered code suggestions. Imagine you're typing away, coding your latest project, and you're stuck. Instead of racking your brains or trawling through online forums, your integrated development environment, or IDE, jumps in to help. Tools like Visual Studio Code use artificial intelligence to suggest snippets of code that fit your project. It's like having a coding buddy by your side, speeding up the process and reducing errors. So, AI-powered code suggestions can dramatically improve your coding efficiency and accuracy. Next, we have smart code analysis and debugging. Imagine a tool that can analyze your code, detect errors, and suggest ways to improve its quality. This is no longer a dream, thanks to AI tools like PyCharm's PyCode. This tool can scan your code, pinpoint mistakes, and provide you with the optimal solutions to fix them. No more spending countless hours searching for that elusive bug. With smart code analysis and debugging, you can say goodbye to hours of sifting through code for errors. How about generating documentation? AI has you covered there too. Tools like Doxygen are revolutionizing the way we document our code. By leveraging the power of natural language processing, or NLP, these tools can automatically generate documentation directly from your code. They analyze your code, understand its structure, and create comprehensive documentation in no time. Think of all the hours you could save. So, let the AI handle the mundane task of documentation. Instant documentation with NLP can save you significant time on documenting your code. Now let's talk about testing. One of the key challenges in programming is ensuring the integrity of your code. This is where AI testing tools come in. They automate the tedious process of creating test cases and detecting errors. Imagine a world where test case creation is as simple as a click of a button. These tools don't just save you time, they dramatically increase the accuracy of your testing process. With efficient automated testing, you can ensure that your code is error-free with less effort. Finally, AI can also boost your code's performance. Imagine having a tool that could foresee where your code might slow down or hang up. That's exactly what predictive analytics tools like PyTorch Profiler bring to the table. These tools analyze your code and predict potential bottlenecks, allowing you to optimize and streamline your work before it even runs. It's like having a crystal ball for your code. So, with predictive analytics, you can optimize your code's performance before it even runs. To wrap things up, these top 5 AI tools offer incredible benefits for programmers. They streamline coding, enhance debugging, automate documentation, expedite testing, and optimize performance. With these AI tools in your toolkit, you're well on your way to being an even more efficient and effective programmer. Thanks for watching.